हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो जैसे कि हमने पिछले वीडियोस में बात की अबाउट स्टडिंग अब्रॉड बीइंग अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर, बहुत सारे रास्ते हैं जिससे आप फ्री में भी पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं या फिर अपनी पढ़ाई को बहुत अफोर्डेबल बना सकते हैं। इनके बारे में आपको कोई नहीं बताएगा, तो ध्यान से सुनिए। मैं 5 कंट्रीज की 5 अलग स्कॉलरशिप्स जिससे आप वो कंट्री में ऑलमोस्ट फ्री में पढ़ सकते हैं वो डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में। सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप। द फर्स्ट वन, Chevening Scholarship. Chevening Scholarship is for any student who is going to study in the UK. This prestigious scholarship is funded by the UK government और ये 160 countries के students के लिए available है। When you go to the UK via this Chevening Scholarship, you also become a part of this community जहाँ पे आपकी तरह बहुत सारे smart लोगों को ये scholarship मिली है। आप उनसे टच में रहने वाले हो throughout your career. How to apply for this scholarship? The application process is entirely online. आपको बस एक ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरना है जिसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमने लिंक डाला हुआ है और इसमें आपको आपके एसेज इंक्लूड करने हैं और 2 रेफरेंसेस इंक्लूड करने हैं। इसके अलावा आपको कॉलेज के एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स भी फिल करने पड़ेंगे। नाउ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर दिस स्कॉलरशिप, यू रिक्वायर अ बैचलर्स डिग्री, एटलीस्ट 2 years ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड एन इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी एग्जाम जो नॉर्मली यूके वीजा में आपको लगती है, जैसे कि IELTS एग्जाम या TOEFL एग्जाम। बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दिस स्कॉलरशिप, फुल ट्यूशन फीस इज कवर्ड इन दिस स्कॉलरशिप। भले ही आपकी फीस 40 lakhs हो या 20 lakhs, पूरी कवर्ड होगी। आपको एक मंथली स्टाइपेंड मिलेगा जिससे आप आपका खर्चा निकाल सकते हो। आपका ट्रैवल कॉस्ट जो इंडिया से यूके का होगा वो भी कवर्ड होगा एंड एक अराइवल अलाउंस होगा। आपका जो टैक्सी का खर्चा है एयरपोर्ट से घर जाने के लिए वो भी इसमें कवर्ड है, प्लस अ फ्यू मोर ग्रांट्स जो आपकी दूसरी सारी चीजें कवर कर लेती है। नाउ व्हाट इज द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग दिस वेरी हाईली कंपेटिटिव स्कॉलरशिप? इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत हाई है बिकॉज 1500 scholarships are available and almost 50,000 students are applying for this scholarship. The Chevening Scholarship is not just about the financial aid. It's a gateway to be a part of a global network of professionals and leaders who are like-minded. Another country that a lot of students are thinking of applying to, and this year we have actually seen a lot of traction to this country, is Ireland. Ireland is another country where everyone is planning to apply to now because of the quality of education, the close proximity to UK as well as Europe, benefits of being around the UK but lesser competition when you're applying for jobs as compared to cities like London or Manchester or Paris. Ireland is the place to go. A very important scholarship to consider if you're applying to study in Ireland is the Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship. This scholarship is funded by the Government of Ireland and there are various benefits attached to this scholarship. They give you an allowance of 10,000 euros. They give you a full tuition waiver, which means कि आप फ्री में पढ़ाई करने वाले हो, and a few more monetary benefits जिससे आपका खर्चा कम हो सकता है प्लस आप कुछ बचा भी सकते हो अपने लिए। How to apply for this scholarship? Applications to this scholarship are submitted through Higher Education Authority की वेबसाइट जिसकी लिंक हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाली है, and you need academic transcripts, a personal statement and references to apply for this scholarship. You can contact us by filling the form in the description if you want to know how to apply for this scholarship in detail. Minimum requirements to apply for this scholarship are a bachelor's degree. You need an academic excellence as you're competing with so many people and English language proficiency via IELTS, TOEFL, PT or Duolingo. The possibility of getting this scholarship as compared to other scholarships is a bit lower because only 60 students can get awarded annually with this particular scholarship, which makes it a bit competitive, but yet it is very achievable with a strong application. So making a strong application is the most important thing if you are planning to get this scholarship. I said about the Chevening Scholarship, this scholarship as well not only reduces your financial burden but it enhances your academic and professional network as well. Another country that has seen a lot of traction from students this year is Germany. When you are planning to apply to Germany, the DAAD scholarship is something that you shouldn't miss out on. The benefits of getting this scholarship is it allows 850 euros every month. It covers your travel, it covers your health insurance and your tuition fees. And if you're a doctoral scholar, then you can get up to 1200 euros covered every month via this scholarship. Now, how to apply for this scholarship? To apply for the DAAD scholarship, you need a detailed CV, academic transcripts, and a letter of motivation. The minimum requirements include a completed bachelor's degree, 2 years of work experience, and proof of German or English language proficiency. Now let's talk about ये scholarship मिलने की possibilities क्या है. वैसे तो ये scholarship बहुत highly competitive है क्योंकि इसमें thousands of applications होते हैं, but हर साल almost 200 scholars are awarded and बहुत ही सारे लोग मुझे पता है जिनको ये scholarship मिली है, तो आप भी उनमें से एक हो सकते हो. Another country which is a bit less known and ये वाली scholarship मिलना बहुत easy है compared to the other 4 scholarships that we spoke about, because यहाँ पे compared to other countries काफी कम लोग पढ़ने जाते हैं, competition कम है और opportunities बहुत ज़्यादा है. This country is France. France has very good ties with our nation and that is why when you go to study in France, you can get a lot of benefits from our political ties as well. So let's talk about Eiffel Excellence Scholarship Program, which you can get to study in France. The benefits of getting the Eiffel Excellence Scholarship is that you can get up to 1181 euros for your master's degree or 1400 euros for your doctoral degree if you are planning to study in France. This also covers your health insurance, travel allowance, and any other expense that you would make while you're planning to study in France. How to apply for this scholarship? To apply for this scholarship, you require your academic transcripts, a letter of motivation, and a couple of essays. The minimum requirements to apply for this scholarship is a bachelor's degree, an academic excellence, and a proficiency in French या फिर English depending on आपने कौन सा program select किया है. The possibility of getting this scholarship is comparatively higher compared to the other scholarships that we spoke about because almost hundreds of students receive this scholarship all around the world and there are only a few thousand applications. So you must capitalize on this opportunity and apply for this scholarship. Studying in France can be a culturally enriching experience and I do recommend to apply for this scholarship to all my viewers. Another country where you can study for absolutely free is Italy. If you're planning to study fashion, design, architecture, interior design or any of these creative domains, then Italy is the place for you to be. You must really consider the career options and the cultural experiences that you can gain while studying in Italy. The Italian government scholarship for foreign studies allows you 900 euros every month along with travel allowance and health insurance to study in Italy for absolutely free. How to apply for this scholarship? Applications for this scholarship can be submitted through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation website. You require your academic transcripts, an excellent bachelor's degree score, and a detailed CV to apply for this scholarship. An Italian language proficiency or an English proficiency would also be required depending on the course that you choose. These were the top 5 scholarships जिसमें आपको अप्लाई करना चाहिए. प्लीज ऐसा मत सोचिए कि बहुत कम चांस है तो मैं क्यों अप्लाई करूं, बिकॉज अगर आप अप्लाई ही नहीं करोगे तो आप 0 चांस स्टैंड करते हो, बट अगर आप अप्लाई करोगे तो आपके पास एटलीस्ट वो 2% चांस है. जितनी ज्यादा स्कॉलरशिप्स में अप्लाई कर सकते हो उतना ही ज्यादा चांस है फ्री में अब्रॉड जाके पढ़ने का. इफ यू हैव गॉट एनी वैल्यू आउट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स so they can also get some information on how to study abroad for absolutely free.